welcome back to my channel. So today I have my November Stitch Fix. And if you don't know how Stitch Fix works, I'm going to go through it very quickly. I've done these videos so many times now, so if you've watched my channel, you should know. If you haven't, here's how Stitch Fix works. Stitch Fix is a subscription style service. When you first sign up, you get matched with a stylist. When they style you, they usually will send you a preview with your styles. You now can pick up to, I'm hearing, 7 items. I've not done that yet. I've only chosen 5 or less. And then if I choose all 5, I get all 5. If I choose less, they'll add things in. So this fix, I think I might have chosen everything in this fix, to be honest. So I'm very excited. And when you choose, by the way, you will get a $20 styling fee, but I have the Style Pass. I pay $49.95 annually, and then my style fee gets waived every time I get styled. But if you're doing Stitch Fix for the first time, use my link in the comments, and you will get the style fee waived for the first time, and you'll get up to $50 to shop your first box. Now, since I chose pretty much all the items, I actually have one full outfit minus one of the items. So my first try on is actually going to show you that first outfit. But I want to read my note. I have Jaren again, and then we'll get right into this try on. So hang on. So I'm back, and as promised, I have my note, and here it is, and it says, "Thanks for letting us style you." And also this box came, it's like a special delivery, but then you put anything or everything you don't want back in the nifty mailer envelope, and it goes back through the post office. So let me get reading on my note. It says, and here's what it looks like, by the way, and it has all the items listed below. And again, Jaren is my stylist. She says, "Happy Fix Day. I'm so glad the Free People movement, the FP movement, worked out last time around. You definitely have an eye for layering pieces. I'm thrilled to be styling you again for your latest fix, and it's fantastic to see that you had an excellent experience with the fix preview. The black Z Supply leather skirt is a chic addition to your wardrobe. Don't be afraid to mix and match brown in. Go for a mix of textures by pairing it with your new Steve Madden cardigan or classic black and white vibe thanks to the Sanctuary sweater I snagged. Believe it or not, the holidays are quickly approaching. Let me save you the last minute stress of finding last minute outfits. Leave me some details about your travel plans or party RSVPs, and I'll keep an eye out for the perfect look to ring in the season." So without further ado, I'm going to get right into the try on. So be right back. Okay, as promised, I am back with the try on. So let me explain what I'm wearing and what I have on. I have actually 4 of the 5 items on. So on top, I'll pull away so you can see it. This is by Sanctuary. It is the Sporty Stripe Mock Neck. It's in off-white, size extra small, $89. And this is the sweater that Jaren was talking about. I have it paired below, and again, I'll come closer, I'll show you everything, but I just want to tell you the whole outfit right now. So I have it paired below with the Z Supply Metropolitan leather skirt in black, size extra small, $69. And I also have, you can see, I've got a bag. This is by Free People also. This is the Roma Suede Tote in black, $98. And I have on, and I'll take it off and I'll show it to you better, but I have the bracelet on, and this is in gold. This is by 8 Other Reasons. The Jupe bracelet in gold, $50. So now, let me put that down and we'll talk. So the bracelet, let me take it off so you can see it better. And I'm going to show it to you on the box. It is literally just a simple bangle type bracelet. It's stretchy. I don't know if you can see that. I really think it's cute, and I like it. I picked that out in the Fix preview, and here it is stacked with my bracelets, so it could definitely work. Very cute. Also, here's the bag. Now here's the thing. I thought this is kind of cute. It's suede. It's black. It has 2 straps. It is Free People. It has a zipper compartment, a zipper opening, I should say. There's the inside, that's stuffing. Has an inside zipper. So, if you can see, but inside zipper pouch. It is cute, but here's the deal. And this is, yes, a little different than what I have, but I've just bought 2 bags myself. One of them is by Free People Movement, and I'll show that to you in a moment. You just zip this back up. So yes, it is cute, and it has like buckle detail, like still silver. Let me back up so you can see it on. But here's the deal. I want to show you something, so I'll be right back. Okay. So, like I said, here's the deal. This is definitely more sporty. I admit it. This is definitely a little bit more upscale, but same kind of silhouette. And I literally just bought this, $68 by Free People Movement. Very similar. If you watched one of my recent Stitch Fix videos, which I sent back, it was in gray, was the quilted bag. But very similar bag. I really wanted the Free People one. I had seen many people wearing this bag. So this one is suede, but this one is like a quilted, but very similar. And I don't know. I mean, yes, this is probably a little bit more dressy, but do I need 2 in a similar silhouette? Probably not. So I'm kind of leaning towards sending this back only because this is so similar. And I also want to show you, let me put this down a second. I also bought this recently, which it's open. So mind the fact that all the zippers are open right now. Let me zip those closed. But I literally just bought this Tory Burch, the camera style bag, and this is more my dressy bag right now. Yes, it is smaller. I will give you that. It's definitely smaller. But when I go out and I'm dressed up, I don't normally use a larger bag like that. So, being that I just spent the money on this in the last couple of months and the other bag, I'm going to send the Free People one that was in this box back. But you let me know your thoughts. Now, the sweater. Again, this, like I said, was by Sanctuary. I'm just getting my paper just in case there was any question. But yes, this was by Sanctuary. This is the Sporty stripe mock neck. And it has the stripe detail on the arm. I cuffed it because you can see how long the sleeve is. And I tend to wear jewelry, so I like my sleeves where I can at least see my jewelry, so that's why it's cuffed. It's just a white basic sweater minus the black and the white stripe on the arm. It's the front. Here's the back. And now the skirt. Okay, so this Z Supply skirt, I have it paired with my Sam Edelman boots that I bought last Christmas, the over the knee from Bloomingdale's, and these are in suede. The skirt is really cute, but I will tell you, it's on and it's comfortable standing, but I think if I were to do this skirt, I might want to just size up to a small, because it just feels just slightly like just fitting. And I think I'd like a little room in it where I'm not feeling like if I eat, then I'm not going to be comfortable. So, not going to lie. But yes, it is cute. It has a zipper closure in the back, so it zips up in the back. and this big slit, which I get it, that's the style, but I'm like, I don't know. I don't know if I'm loving that either, but I'll look back at the try-on video at this point, and you let me know your thoughts. So let me pan down so you can see the skirt just a little bit better. So as promised, here is panning down so you can see the skirt just that much better with the slit and the boots, like I said, that I'm wearing from last season from Bloomingdale's. But I like these boots, so I think they definitely work with the look. If I were, this is how I'd probably wear it. Yeah, it's cute. I have one other top, so I'm going to come back with that in a moment. Okay, as promised, I have the last item in this fix on. And this is by Free People, FP Movement by Free People. It's the All-Star Layer, and it's cut off. So the information will be in the comments below, and you'll also see a card before it. But this is in the color green, extra small, $68. And for the sake of this try on, I literally just left it on with this skirt. I would not wear it this way, just so you know. But I just want you to see the top. I'm gonna be honest, I did pick this top because I love Free People and I love their like comfortable casual line as well, FP Movement. But this top is huge. And I know a lot of times their stuff is pretty big, but I'm not sure I'm loving this. And I also have, I didn't bring it out, but I have a top in this color from my recent Disney trip, which fits me a little bit better. And if layered and wearing with stuff that I like, I would probably pull for that before I would pull for this. Granted, that is a Christmas shirt. It has just a small insignia here to say it's Christmas, but I don't know. Like, you could see, again, excuse the fact that it's with the skirt, but you could see how boxy and big this is. So even in an extra small with like the notches on the side, and it has that little Free People Movement logo on the side. Here's the back. I just think it's too big. I pulled the sleeve up, but look at how long the sleeves are. And it is supposed to be like that because it has the thumb hole, but I know a lot of people love this thumb hole detail. I don't love it because I wear jewelry. So to me, I'm more or less like, I immediately want to roll my sleeve up and not wear it that way. And I would even cuff it and roll it up. So I don't know. Yeah, I'll look back at the footage, but I just feel like I'm swimming in this top, to be honest. So that's where I'm at. Now, I'm going to do a quick recap here, and we'll go over everything quickly. So hang on. Okay, I'm back, and that was a fun try on, and I switched back into this sweater. Just for the recap, I'm wearing the skirt and the sweater outfit I had on in the initial try on. So you have seen everything, and you've even seen all the pricing. So let me just give you the stylist pick subtotal, which was $374. Now at Stitch Fix, if you buy all, you get 25% off. So buying all, the discount is $93.50. The new order subtotal is $280.50 for everything. That does not include the tax. Probably be closer to $300. Don't even know where my phone is, but I could open the app. Hang on. Okay, I have the app. And in the app, the sales tax is $17.41. So you recall the total with the buy all was $280.50. Adding the sales tax, $17.41, the new total is $297.91. Okay, so I'm going to play devil's advocate insofar as the prices, which were not bad. The most expensive here was $98 for the tote. So for this Suede Free People tote, which like I said, I don't think I'm keeping. So that would leave me with the bracelet, the leather skirt, which let me double check something. I want to check if it would even be available to exchange it. Yes, it is. So if I really liked it and I wanted to exchange, it is available in a small. So I can keep that in mind. So the skirt, which I think is cute, but what I pull for it, it's only $69. It's not a bad price. This sweater is $89. So this is the second most expensive. The bag is $98. The sweater is $89. The skirt comes in at $69, so a little less. This top by Free People Movement, hang on a second, I'm sorry. This top is $68. The cheapest item, so this being the most expensive at $98, is the bracelet, which is still on my wrist, the gold bracelet for $50. So I have some deciding to do here. I think I'm going to be looking back at this try-on, to be honest with you. And I'm also going to rely on your comments and your feedback to help me decide what I should and should not keep here. It was a good fix. And like I said, I picked out all of these items. So I'm not complaining because I think Jaren did a great job in picking out items for my style, and knowing me for quite a while, she's been styling me. So I'm not disappointed in the least. However, like I said, I want to look back. I want to see if I'm loving these pieces on me. And it all boils down to money because I did some shopping as well recently at Ever Eve and at Free People. So Ever Eve had their 20 anniversary, the 20-year anniversary sale, and I shopped there, to be honest, and I hope to film that soon to show you what I got. Got quite a few pieces. I even shopped at Ever Eve myself since my last Trend Sun, so I did a little damage there. I had a wish list and I went through for the sale prices. I thought, why not? And I also bought a couple of things at Free People. You did see the one bag that I showed you in this video. So long story short, I've done some shopping. Plus I just got a new iPhone. I upgraded. So I've got some bills to pay as I'm heading to Christmas. So it really boils down to what I need, what I love, and I'm just going to go with that, I think, at this point. But let me know your thoughts. Like I said, I appreciate it. But you've seen everything. I'm going to put my glasses and my phone down for a second. But now I just want to say thank you so much for all your continued support and your friendship on my channel. Those who have been following me for years now, or even in recent years. If you don't follow me and you want to see more videos like this, please hit the subscribe button below. If you like this video, give me the thumbs up. And now I just want to say happy Thanksgiving to all that celebrate, and have a magical day, and bye for now.